TV. Isasama kita sa biyahe ko mula sa ating bayan Pilipinas, tara na't maglakbay tayo.
Kwento ng daan, saya ng bawat hakbang, bawat lugar na puntahan may ala-ala kang baon.
Hindi lang tanawin, kundi buhay ang kwento. Sa bawat biyahe,
Pangarap ay natutupad mismo.
tara let's go with Ariel TV. Sama ka palagi mula Pilipinas hanggang mundo. Sabay nating libutin bawat BM may kwento, bawat lugar may saysay. Go with Ariel TV. Oh, 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 oh.
Go with the TV.
Oh, 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 oh.
Ayan, good morning guys. Bali pang 8 days namin ngayon dito sa Bangkok, Thailand. So ang schedule namin, pupunta kami ng Jurassic World. Bagong theme park siya dito sa Bangkok. So ayan, dahil wala namang kaming private car, this day nag-grab na lang kami. Yan, naka-grab car kami guys. Available din naman siya. Once na gusto nyo mag-grab, pwede kayo mag-grab sa app. May option naman na cash or credit card. So yun, papunta kami ng Asiatic. Nandun kasi yung Jurassic World guys. Update ko na kayo later. Ito, naka-grab car kami. Ito yung plate number ni Manong, 6525. Ayan. Medyo traffic dito sa Pratunam. Imagine niyo 21 minutes ang waiting namin kanina bago makarating si Manong. Kasi may construction kasi ng subway dito sa Pratunam, kaya medyo super traffic. Pero buti na lang hindi niya kinancel, talagang chinagaan. 21 minutes yung waiting namin. So ayan, ito kasi yung construction guys, ayan oh. Yan yung construction, subway kasi yan. Hindi ko lang kung subway o MTR. Pero sabi subway, pero bakit ang construction niya nandito sa taas? Ewan ha.
Pero kahit naman gawa talaga.
Ayun kasi ayun yung picture, yun yung ginagawa.
Subway nga.
Ayun, Pratunam Station. So, subway nga. Ayan guys, nandito na kami sa Asiatic. Bali, nag-grab car lang kami. Ito yung papasukin namin. Ito yung papasukin namin guys. Kapatid ka pumunta lang ng Starbucks. Yan, dito yung papasukin namin guys, Jurassic World. Yan. Mainit. Ito na pala. Ay, saan ba yun? Ito pala information. Yan. Maga pa kasi guys. Ang kinuha kasi namin schedule ng Jurassic Park is 11 AM. May check lang yung kapatid ko dito sa Starbucks. Ang init. Pasok na din ako. Hintayin ko sana siya eh. Kaya lang mainit. Pasok na rin tayo guys. May bibili siyang souvenir. May nagpapabili. Maaga pa lang kasi 10 AM, 10:30 AM, kaya wala pang ganun tao. Ayan guys, bali nandito na kami sa Asiatic, the riverfront. So nandito yung Jurassic World, yung bagong theme park ng indoor theme park ata to, yung Jurassic World. Hindi pa ako sure napuntahan din namin to nung pang third day ata namin nun. Kasi dito din yung yung dinner cruise. So nakita nga namin yung pang third day namin na nandito rin pala siya. Ayan. Pag magdi-dinner cruise ka guys, nandun lang yun sa likod, sa may river, andun na yung Tas may mga show din ata dito. Ay, Calypso Thai Restaurant pala siya. Yan. Medyo sarado pa yung mga store kasi 10:30 AM pa lang. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong oras nagbubukas yung mga store dito. Pero 10:30 AM na, sarado pa sila halos lahat. O nga. Siguro 11 kasi gano'n din yung Jurassic World, 11 lang start nila eh. Baka 11 pa, kapatid. Sanay tayo kasi sa Pilipinas, 10 a.m. pa lang open na ang mga malls. Dito, 10:30 na ay sarado pa. Possible nga maka 11 sila nag-open. Hinahanap pa namin yung yung Jurassic World. Walking tour na rin tayo dito sa Asiatech para at least maging familiar na rin kayo. So kung gusto nyo mag-dinner cruise, dito lang yon guys. Ang earliest na first dinner cruise is 5:30 p.m. Available siya sa Klook. Yan. So kung gusto nyo rin masubukan yung Jurassic World, bagong theme park ng Bangkok, Thailand, nandito rin yung sa Asiatech. Ayan. May naman, may sign. This way, Jurassic. So, ayan o. So, punta natin. Sarado pa talaga, guys. Ang schedule kasi namin sa Jurassic World is 11:30 a.m. Nagkataon may construction sa Pratunam. Baka mamaya matraffic kami or what. So, inagahan namin umalis. So, umalis kami doon. Nag-book kami ng 9:30. Dumating yung Grab ng ang halos 10 a.m. na. So hindi rin kasi namin alam yung eksakto, ayan. Eksaktong dating nung Grab. Ayun pala yung Jurassic World, ayun. Parang indoor siya, indoor theme park. Dito tayo ata kumain last time, oh. Ayun. Ito na yung Jurassic World. May mini Solan dito, guys. Ayan. Ito na yung Jurassic World. Ayun, may dinosaur. Ayun, may dinosaur. Ayan, guys. Finally, nakita na namin yung Jurassic World. Indoor theme park siya dito sa Bangkok, Thailand. Bago lang din kasi siya. Katabi lang siya ng mini Solan dito sa Bangkok. Dito sa Asiatech Riverside. So mamaya pa ating open niya, guys. Indoor what do you call this? Indoor theme park siya. So sarado pa ata siya. Ay, may big sea din doon, Like may big sea din doon. So yan, so close pa siya. Ayan. Sarado pa, kapatid. Sige. Sige. Miniso daw. Sige. Mag-miniso na lang kami kasi 11:30 pa naman yung ticket namin. Siguro 11. Halos 11 ata nagbubukas lahat. Ang init, grabe. Pasok na kami dito sa Minisolan. Guys, huwag kayong pupunta ng mga June. Summer, sobrang init. Lalo siguro pag March, April, May. Ay, Stitch na panda. Ang galing, oh. Tingnan niyo si Stitch. Nauso talaga yung parang Pop Mart store, mga pan-decoration sa mga bag. Nauso yung mga ganyan theme. Ayan, ito rin, oh. Ayan, cute. Para siyang para siyang labubu. O, di ba ang cute? Nauso talaga yung mga ganyan. Magkano kaya isa? 609 ang isa. Pero cute siya. Parang gusto kong bumili pampasalubong. Stitch. May bibiling ka? Kanino? Yung unang may nagpabili sa'yo. So, yan. Dito yung entrance niya, guys. Ito yung bilihan ng ticket. Pero nakapag-abil naman na kami ng ticket sa Klook. So, meron na kami QR code. So, ito yung pinaka-entrance niya. Pero 11:30 pa kami. Ang pinapapasok pa lang ata 11. Pero try namin kung pwede na. Ayan. Yan, guys. Diretso. Ayan. Doon, diretso. Dito. Mamaya na. I need water. Yan guys, bali nandito na kami sa Jurassic World sa Bangkok, Thailand. So waiting lang kami papasukin sa loob. Actually nakapasok na kami kasi tawag dito, may selected na kung ilang tao lang ang pwede pumasok. Kasi medyo maliit lang to, parang indoor theme park lang siya guys. So after matapos yung nandun sa loob, tsaka pa lang kami papapasukin. Set by set kasi guys. Yan, bago kayo pumasok yan, pipicturean kayo, ganyan. Pipicturean kayo. Yan guys, dito pagpasok mo, may pa-preview sila ng mga movie ng Jurassic World. Ayan. May big screen dito sa harapan guys. O ayan. Yung movie clips na to galing din to sa sa movie ng Jurassic World. Ayan. May pa-preview sila habang waiting tayo dito, guys. Ayan. Jurassic World. Ayan guys, nagpapapasok na sila. So binibilang talaga nila guys kung ilan lang yung pwedeng pumasok sa loob.
Hindi lang tanawin, kundi buhay ang kwento. Sa bawat biyahe, pangarap ay natutupad mismo. Tara, let's go with Ariel TV. Sa mga palagi, mula Pilipinas hanggang mundo. Sabay nating liputin bawat biyahe, may kwento. Bawat lugar may saysay.
Thank you for your ขอบคุณสำหรับการลงนะครับผมโอเค Are you ready?
Yes!
Good. Okay. If you ready, please eye on the scene. Andเต็มปากเดี๋ยวผมนี่นักโชว์ก่อนนะครับจะเต็มตัวให้พร้อมเลย
Puso'y punong-puno ng mga iwain ng mundo, Europa at USA.
Wow, ganito pala yan.
Hindi lang tanaw, kundi damang-dama. Abay, kwento'y buhay na buhay na. Tara, let's go.
Welcome aboard! This is your ferry captain speaking. We're heading to Isla Nublar, the home of Jurassic World, where you'll see real dinosaurs and incredible attractions.
Para kaming nasa loob ng boat. Ayan, na itutour kami guys. Pero ano lang yan, mga screen lang siya. Pero parang kaming nasa loob ng boat. Ayan.
The history of our planet is written in stone, written for all time on Earth below our feet. It tells the tale of an ancient era when dinosaurs ruled the world. Many have dreamed of visiting the world, witnessing the majesty and the power of the largest, most awe-inspiring creatures to have ever lived. That dream is now a reality here at Jurassic World. The park is a technological marvel, an modern phenomenon.
guys, sa second floor daw.
Malaysia, Thailand, Singapore sa listahan. Bawat bansa may ngiti, may bagong karanasan. Tikman ang sarap ng Taiwan at South Korea.
Oh, sige.
Vietnam, ating pasyalan. Puso'y punong-puno ng liit ng mundo, Europa at USA. Hindi lang tanaw, kundi damang-dama. Buhay may buhay na buhay na. Tara, let's go with INTV sa mga palagi. Mula Pilipinas hanggang mundo, sabay nating libutin bawat bibig.
ด้านในนะครับผมมีเบบีมาเป็นสาวนะครับรอนคอมพิวเตอร์อยู่นะครับผม
Laki niya guys. Picturean kita.
Thank you, excellent ladies and gentlemen.
Baby dinosaur. Ay,
Do not touch her body.
ah,
On her head.
okay. Thank you.
Next one, please. Okay, ดีเสร็จแล้วนะครับผมสามารถมารอที่คิวไลน์ทางด้านนี้ได้เลยนะครับนั่งสี่หมายเลข4ครับ
Iniipon muna guys lahat ng mga guests bago buksan yung per door niya. So for example, yung unang door nung inopen siya, hinintay muna lahat dito bago i-open tong bagong door.
And now you got your inner raptor pedal. ตอนนี้นะครับทุกคนอยู่ในโซน
Picturean kita.
ดอกไม้นะครับ
Doon na lang sa susunod.
Alright, so right now, เพราะว่ามีอะไรมาจากจระเข้แล้วจะมีสีน้ำตาลแดงนะครับ And another one here, elephant of number 2. This one is for Charlie. อันนี้คือ Charlie นะครับ Charlie ที่
Ang name niya is Echo. Ito may mga name sila. Ito si Charlie.
Charlie นะครับผมจะมีมาจากอีโคน่าสีเขียวครับผมที่เขาเนี่ยทานต่อกับธรรมชาติได้เก่งมากๆเลยนะครับ And for her she also is body and she has a strut along the back แล้วก็Charlieก็จะมีสีขาวนะครับผมคนมันตาลนะครับผมแล้วก็จะมีลายสีดำนะครับผม5,000ตัวเลยนะครับผม Alright, and then we do another one there, and that's number 3. That one is for Zelda. แล้วก็ที่เข้ามาจากนะครับสำหรับน้องเซลตานะครับ ด้วยเซลตา right here. Here to the venue right there. And see about you when you got in the field there. ที่รู้ไหมตรงนี้นะครับผมเพราะว่าเราจะเป็นอะไรห้องสุดครับผม Alright, and so but over here. ไม่ก็จะให้ไปด้านหน้าได้นะครับเดี๋ยวจะได้โชว์ชัดๆนะครับ Alright, for those who come with kids, you can let your kids stand in the front to see the show clearly. Let's get them in the front to see the show. Alright guys, in the friendly reminder before the show starts, we have 2 simple rules here. The first one, please make sure you turn off the flash on your camera when you're taking a photo or recording the video. And then rule number 2, for your own safety, do not cross the safety line here. And do not run into blue when I open the door. ตอนนี้กด2ข้อความปลอดภัยของเรานะครับผมให้เป็นแสงแฟลชในการถ่ายรูปและวิดีโอตลอดโชว์นะครับส่วนข้อที่2นะครับผม อาจจะไม่กล้าครับที่เซฟที่ร้านตรงนี้มาเลยเด็ดขาดเลยนะครับแต่กล้าถ้าประตูเปิดนะครับเราจะไม่วิ่งเข้ามาดูเลยเด็ดขาดเลยเอาละครับผมจะมาทำเสร็จหมดแล้วกับคอปเตอร์กับโดยอย่างนะครับ so right now let me start saying are you guys ready to meet please so everybody are you guys ready alright so if you guys ready let me turn on the spotlight for you Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only, the star of Jurassic World, Blue! Stand out, girl. Right, Blue. Eyes on me. Good. To the right. Forgot Blue. Back to the middle. Excellent, everybody. And Blue. We give a loud applause. Alright, now you're gonna be the fun part. And the fun part is just to become a master regular. So, เราจะสมัครหนึ่งท่านนะครับในการมาเต้นดูกับเรานะครับ Anyone would like to try? มีใครอยากลองไหมครับ Anyone can raise your hands up? Alright, so many volunteers. So to be fair, we have to begin that time. So I need one volunteer. Everybody put your hand in your head. มากันก่อนเลยนะครับก็ความที่ทำนะครับเราแค่สมัครแค่หนึ่งท่านเท่านั้นนะครับ Put your hand on your head and as you count down. When I say one, you need to raise your hand up, okay? I say to the blue. And follow instruction, put your hands up. That's right, eye contact with blue. And then say blue, eyes on me. Blue, focus. Good, now move to the left. Slowly, that's right. Now you can walk to the right. All the way to the right. Good. Right now, slowly put your hand down. Perfect, thank you. Here you go, this one. Alright guys, but unfortunately the training session is over. Alright, like I said, we have limited time. When the light gets up, we need to take you back. Alright, one step please, do not hold the same light.
Dominus Rex.
สวัสดีค่ะ ฮัลโหล เหตุการณ์ที่ล้ำสมัยที่สุดในจูราสสิกของเรานั่นเองค่ะ
A marvel of modern science. Jurassic World scientists utilized the strength of a T-Rex, the smarts of a Velociraptor, and the size of a Gigantosaurus. Then added a few surprises. Camouflage from cuttlefish, heat regulation from tree frogs, and infrared vision from pit vipers, resulting in the most advanced and dangerous predator in existence. For your safety, please follow the guide's instructions, keeping a secure distance from the glass at all times. Jurassic World proudly presents the Indominus Rex.
Alright everyone, please turn around. Eye open, she could be anywhere. And now you can look around everyone, maybe she come from the left side or the right side. Oh, did you hear that? The starlights are coming. Oh, to the left. Oh, she come.
Oh, manggugulat na lang
starting. Do not panic, do not panic. It's starting, guys. It's starting. Alright, guys, it's safe now. Don't worry. Watch out, everyone. Please step back. Step back from the sun. You're ready for your son. Step back, everyone. I heard something. Everyone's asking. Charles coming here. That would be listen, we just got the question. Okay.
Observation deck.
Okay.
Nasa incubator siya, guys. Mga bagong silang na dinosaur. Nasa incubator siya. Kapipisa lang ng egg. While ito naman yung egg, guys. Ayan.
Okay, so everyone, as you will see, every dinosaur here are on the roofs. So the plan, what you will see everyone do that is
We are safe. Maybe 50-50. Yeah. Yes, 50-50. Alright.
May picture kita dito.
Control center, can you hear me? Yes, I want the password right now. Okay, I want the password, control center. Alright, okay. What? What? Hey. Whoa, don't move. Control center, code red, now we found the T-Rex. Oh my. Stay still. Control center, quickly, everything for you. Want the password, control center, now. What you mean? Password is your birthday. I don't know your birthday. Oh my God.
Dito sa Go with Ariel TV, isasama kita sa biyahe ko. Mula sa ating bayan, Pilipinas, tara't maglakbay tayo.
Yeah, I think it is. Okay, what the password?
Tupad mismo,
Okay, 1, 5, 8, 7, 9, okay, 1, 5, 8, 7, now, go!
sabay nating
Come on, okay, on this way, let's go!
Wala na, tapos na. Diin. Wala na. Souvenir na siya. Ayan, tapos na guys. Halos magwa 1 hour din yung yung ganap. Maiksi lang. So, huwag nyo nang pangarapin. Sayang pera. Pero yung mga mahihilig sa mga sa mga Jurassic, sa mga okay na rin. Kay manager. Sabi mo na kay manager. Kay Ma'am Grace. And guys, natapos na kami sa sa Jurassic World. Palabas na kami, buti na lang may nakita kaming KFC dito. Dito na rin kami magla-lunch sa Asia Tech. Yan. Buti na lang may KFC guys. Ayoko mag-McDo. Yung sana target namin McDo. So magka-KFC na lang kami. Ang lunch namin for today is KFC. So, ang KFC dito guys, hindi usos kanila ang gravy. So, ang kadalasan pati McDonald's, pati iba, ang sauce nila is ito, parang sweet chili, yan. Ito ketchup para sa fries. Ito egg tart na may Nutella. Ang drinks dito guys, pre-refill anytime. Pwede kang kumuha dyan kahit anong gusto mo, manawa ka. Ito hot and spicy. Parang sa Pilipinas, pag hot and spicy, crispy. Pag original, yung hindi siya crispy, ganun. Rice, ayan. Itong aming lunch ngayon. Kapatid ko nag-sandwich lang.